Today, we will discuss Heptabase and Miro. While Miro is a flexible online whiteboard and collaborative platform for a variety of tasks, including brainstorming, design, and project management, Heptabase is a visual note-taking application for scholars and people interested in learning, knowledge management, and personal organizing. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Heptabase, people who organize complicated information, researchers, and learners can use Kanban boards for project management and creation, mind maps to visualize what they have learned, and research to generate ideas and broaden their knowledge. Knowledge mapping, visual note linkages, and an emphasis on personal comprehension. Miro, with features like real time collaboration, an unlimited canvas, templates, and tool integrations. Miro is a well known online collaborative whiteboard platform that allows teams to plan, brainstorm, and collaborate graphically. Online whiteboard for collaborative collaboration, project planning, brainstorming sessions, workshops, and teams. All in all, both offer a sizable digital canvas for creative visualization. Both allow users to organize and structure information visually. Both enable people to connect and relate disparate bits of data. Both are digital tools that provide a vast and adaptable workspace.